Welcome to Culinary Adventures. Today we're making cabbage and mushroom dumplings. New viewers, please subscribe to my channel. First, let's prepare the filling. I'm using mushrooms and cabbage. Soak the mushrooms overnight, then cook them in the same water the next day. Add salt and cook until soft. Also, cook the cabbage until tender with some salt and a pinch of sugar. You can also prep the onion beforehand. Peel it, dice it, and saute it in oil until translucent. Next, we'll grind the cabbage and mushrooms using a medium-hold grinder. If you don't have one, just chop everything finely. Mix the cabbage and mushrooms, add the sauteed onion, and season with salt and pepper. Mix well. The filling's ready. Now, let's prepare the dough. I've already added 500 g of wheat flour, a teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Next, we'll add hot water. I used 1 1/4 cups for this batch. It's best to start with 1 cup, check the dough consistency, and add more if needed. Knead the dough until smooth and elastic for at least a few minutes. Now that the dough is kneaded, we can roll it out thinly. To ensure it's properly kneaded, you should feel air bubbles under the rolling pin. That's when you know the consistency is right. With the dough rolled out, I'll use a glass to cut out circles. Next, put a teaspoon of filling on each circle. You can adjust the amount based on the circle size. Seal them well so they don't open while cooking. Drop the dumplings into boiling salted water and cook for about 2 minutes after they float. As you can see, it's not too complicated. I hope you'll enjoy these dumplings. Please comment, subscribe, like, and watch my other videos. You'll find this and other recipes on my blog. The link is always below the video. Thanks for watching and take care.